If you've ever dreamed of striking it rich, you need to know how to mine gold. Let's break it down. Mining for gold is an age-old endeavor that has captivated the hearts and minds of adventurers and prospectors for centuries. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to pan for gold in a local stream, or a serious miner aiming to extract gold from deep within the earth, understanding the process is crucial. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps and techniques to help you get started on your gold mining journey. First up, understand your gold deposit. Gold can be found in various types of deposits, and knowing the nature of your deposit is the first step in determining the best mining method. There are two primary types of gold deposits: placer deposits and lode deposits. Placer deposits are typically found in riverbeds and other sedimentary environments where gold particles have been eroded from their original source and deposited by water action. Lode deposits, on the other hand, are found in solid rock formations, often in quartz veins. Each type of deposit requires different techniques and equipment for extraction. Placer deposits are gold particles in riverbeds. These deposits are usually easier to mine and are ideal for beginners. The gold particles in placer deposits are often small flakes or nuggets that have been carried downstream by water. To find placer gold, you'll need to look for areas where the water slows down, such as bends in the river, behind large rocks, or in natural depressions. These are the spots where gold is likely to settle due to its high density. Perfect for panning and sluicing, simple and effective. Gold panning is one of the oldest and simplest methods of gold mining. All you need is a pan, some water, and a bit of patience. To pan for gold, fill your pan with sediment from the riverbed, submerge it in water, and gently shake it to allow the heavier gold particles to settle at the bottom. Carefully swirl the water and sediment to wash away the lighter material, revealing the gold flakes. Sluicing is another effective method for recovering placer gold. A sluice box is a long, narrow trough with riffles that trap gold particles as water flows through it. Set up your sluice box in a stream with a good flow of water and shovel sediment into the box. The water will carry the sediment through the sluice and the riffles will catch the gold. Scoop up some sand, shake it in a pan with water, and voila, gold flakes. The thrill of seeing those tiny golden specks in your pan is unmatched. It's a rewarding experience that connects you to the rich history of gold mining. Remember, patience and persistence are key. It may take some time to find a good spot and perfect your technique, but the effort is well worth it. For larger operations, try dredging or dry washing in arid areas. Dredging involves using a suction device to vacuum up sediment from the bottom of a river or stream, which is then processed to extract the gold. This method is more efficient than panning and can recover gold from deeper water. Dry washing is a technique used in arid regions where water is scarce. It involves using a dry washer, a device that uses air to separate gold from dry soil or gravel. Both dredging and dry washing require more specialized equipment and are typically used by more experienced miners. Now let's hit the hard stuff: lode deposits. These are found in solid rock, usually quartz veins. Lode deposits are often the source of placer gold, as the gold erodes from the veins and is carried downstream. To mine lode deposits, you'll need to locate the quartz veins that contain the gold. This can involve a combination of geological surveys, rock sampling, and sometimes even luck. Once you've identified a promising vein, it's time to start digging. Get ready to dig deep and crush some rocks. Mining lode deposits is a more labor-intensive and complex process than mining placer deposits. It often involves drilling, blasting, and hauling rock to the surface for processing. In some cases, underground mining may be necessary to access the gold-bearing veins. This requires specialized equipment and safety precautions, as working underground can be hazardous. Expose the vein, use machinery to extract the ore, and process it to free the gold. The extracted ore must be crushed and ground to liberate the gold particles. This can be done using a variety of methods, including stamp mills, ball mills, and crushers. Once the ore is finely ground, the gold can be separated using gravity separation techniques such as shaking tables or spiral concentrators. In some cases, chemical methods such as cyanidation or amalgamation may be used to extract the gold. Once you've got your gold-bearing material, it's time to separate the gold. For placer gold, stick with panning or sluicing. These methods are effective for recovering gold from loose sediment and are relatively simple to use. Panning and sluicing are also great for small-scale operations and hobbyists who want to enjoy the process of finding gold without investing in expensive equipment. Commercial miners might use trommels and jigs. Trommels are large rotating drums with screens that separate gold-bearing material from larger rocks and debris. Jigs are devices that use pulsating water to separate gold from other minerals based on their density. These methods are more efficient than panning and sluicing and are commonly used in commercial mining operations. For hard rock, try gravity separation or smelting to purify your loot. Gravity separation methods such as shaking tables and spiral concentrators are effective for concentrating gold from crushed ore. Smelting involves heating the gold-bearing material to a high temperature to melt the gold and separate it from other impurities. This process requires specialized equipment and knowledge, but it produces high-purity gold. Don't forget to collect and refine your gold to remove any impurities. And before you start, make sure you have the proper permits and follow safety precautions. Gold mining can be regulated by local, state and federal agencies, and it's important to comply with all applicable laws and regulations. Obtaining the necessary permits and permissions can help you avoid legal issues and ensure that your mining activities are conducted responsibly. Wear helmets, gloves and goggles, safety first, folks. Mining can be dangerous, and it's essential to protect yourself from potential hazards. Always wear appropriate safety gear such as helmets, gloves, goggles and sturdy boots. Be aware of your surroundings and follow best practices for safe mining operations. Finally, sell your gold. Local jewelers, refiners or online buyers are all options. Once you've successfully mined and refined your gold, it's time to turn it into cash. You can sell your gold to local jewelers who may be interested in purchasing raw gold for crafting jewelry. Refiners can also buy your gold and process it further to produce high-purity gold bars or coins. Additionally, there are online platforms where you can sell your gold to buyers from around the world. Be sure to research the market and choose a reputable buyer to get the best price for your gold. Keep documentation handy to prove your gold's purity. When selling your gold, it's important to have proper documentation to verify its authenticity and purity. This can include assay reports, certificates of authenticity, and receipts from previous transactions. Having this documentation can help you get a better price for your gold and build trust with potential buyers. At Aurum we've got you covered for all your gold mining needs. Reach out to us at operations@aurumium.com. Happy mining! Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your mining operations, Aurum offers a wide range of products and services to support your gold mining endeavors. From high-quality equipment and tools to expert advice and customer support, we're here to help you succeed. Contact us today to learn more about how we can assist you on your journey to finding gold. Happy mining!